beautiful Nespresso machine, which I just bought from Canadian Tire for $99.
It's the same thing.
I can't do Parmesan. I think I'd be too sad to waste the money. I can spend $40,000 on Birkin, but $10,000.
As you may have just watched, I have broke the scissors. Yep, that's right. I basically turned into the Hulk, you know, I'm too strong. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Today we're going to use Voltesso, which is just one shot. I'm going to grab 3 of these. Three made here. So I filled up my mason jar, and then I'm going to take my silk oat milk and I'm just gonna fill it until I hit 2/3 the way. Add some of this Starbucks sugar-free vanilla syrup to your drink. I just like to add just a tad. I will grab my shot of espresso and just pour it in. Drink number 2, we're gonna do a vanilla protein latte. It's basically the same, but switch that with the protein. The protein drink I use is Premier Protein. For 1 shot of espresso, I will use half, and then the other half I'll save for tomorrow. I'm just going to grab my shot of espresso, fill it up. And I guess it's not as aesthetically pleasing because I don't fill it up all the way, but this is the drink. For this one, I have a larger cup because of the cold foam. I am using the Caramel Premier Protein. And then I'm going to add my shot of espresso. Ooh, that looked pretty. I'm just gonna put, maybe that was like 3 tablespoons. A splash of whipping cream into the milk. Okay, that was a large splash. I'm also going to add my vanilla syrup. A pinch of salt for the salted caramel. I put like this much. I got this frother from Amazon. It'll be linked below. Got that straw in there. I mean, I drink this like almost every day, so you're not gonna get a surprised reaction from me. It's really sweet. Hold on. What? My face? Yeah, I got sunburnt. The only place I put sunscreen on was my face. As you can see, my body is just... It was a beautiful day in Toronto when I decided to go to the beach. I packed my food, healthy, snacks, of course, and no sunscreen. Okay, back to the drinks. So if you like sweet, you like this. If it is too sweet, consider doing a double shot of espresso with half of the vanilla protein. I don't know if the ice just melted, but it tastes kind of watery. I think because I drank the really sweet protein drink first, this one does taste not as sweet, but if you don't really like super sweet, you could try this one. If you have a super sweet tooth, go for this one. It tastes like, it almost tastes like a donut. Like a caramel filled but original glazed donut on the outside. This cold foam with the salt, it tastes really good. So that was basically it to my iced coffee drinks. Some I liked more than others, some were too sweet, but the perfect one is just the protein one, the first protein one. Anyways, here is me organizing my pods, which I'm super excited about. It looks like a little rainbow, which makes me really happy. Anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, as I will be posting a lot more fitness and health content onto this channel. Have a beautiful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!